Hi, I'm Vamp, and this is Microwave Madness. Microwave Madness will be about random things, gaming, doodles, rants, etc. And I'm proud to be your host. We have one other member so far and more to join. Her introduction will be posted as soon as possible. Fun facts, Timey. I have a rant account. I know 2 languages. Sí, dos. I will use my real voice later on. I will be making all the OCs. I might even go live. But don't expect it. It's a maybe. Anyways, that's all for today. Remember to stay chaotic.